In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Canva Pro Team Invite link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the shareable invite link so teammates can join your Pro workspace quickly and securely. Before we start, a quick note on access. The invite link lives inside your team settings, and you typically need to be an owner or an admin of a Canva Pro team to see it. If your account is on the free plan or you don't have the right permissions, some options may be hidden. Using Canva on a desktop browser will also make the layout match what you see here. From your Canva home screen, look to the very bottom left corner. Click your profile icon, the small circle with your photo or your initials. This opens your account menu and gives you quick access to the controls you need. In that menu, click Settings. It's the option with the familiar gear icon. Settings is where Canva groups all team and account controls including billing, permissions, and, importantly for us, invitations. Once you're on the settings page, click Invite People. This is the dedicated area Canva uses to manage how new members join your team. Opening it brings up the invitation panel, where you can add people directly by email and, crucially, access your team's shareable invite link. That link is what you can post in your company chat, send in a project brief, or include in onboarding docs so people can join without a back and forth. If you manage more than one team, take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace. You'll see the current team name near the top of settings. Verifying this prevents adding members to the wrong team or consuming seats you didn't intend to use. A few practical tips to keep things smooth. Treat your invite link like a key to your team. Share it only with people you intend to add, because new members may occupy paid seats. If you're coordinating roles, you can usually decide whether new members join as members or admins right from the invitation panel, so you keep permissions tidy from the start. And if Invite People doesn't appear for you, it's a strong sign you need higher permissions. Ask a team owner or admin to grant access. That's all there is to it. Click your profile icon in the bottom left, go into Settings, and open Invite People to access your Canva Pro Team invite link. Keep the link secure, verify the team you're managing, and you'll have new collaborators up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!